In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail when it's not receiving emails. This can be quite a frustrating issue, but with these clear steps, you should be able to diagnose and solve the problem effectively. First, let's start by checking your internet connection. Seems simple, right? But sometimes the most obvious things are the ones we overlook. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. If you're using a Wi-Fi connection, check that it's stable. Try loading a web page to see if there's any connectivity issue. If you're having trouble connecting, restart your router or connect to a different network if possible. Next, let's ensure that your Gmail account is properly set up. Open your Gmail app or go to Gmail on your web browser. If prompted to log in, make sure you're using the correct email and password. If you've forgotten your password, follow the recovery options provided by Google to regain access. Once logged in, it's time to check the spam or junk folder. It's possible that some emails are being wrongly categorized as spam. Click on the spam label to see if any important emails are hidden there. If you find any legitimate emails, be sure to mark them as not spam to ensure they land in your inbox in the future. After that, verify that your Gmail storage isn't full. Every Gmail account has a storage limit, and if this is maxed out, you won't receive new emails. Go to the bottom left of your Gmail page where you can see the available storage space. If it's reaching the limit, delete some unwanted emails, especially those with large attachments, to free up space. Another useful step is to check your filters and forwarding settings. Filters could be directing your emails to different folders or even deleting them automatically. Go to your Gmail settings, select See All Settings, then check under the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Remove any filters that might be affecting your incoming emails. Similarly, check the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab to see if emails are being forwarded to another address. Finally, make sure that there are no outages affecting Gmail. Sometimes, the issue may not be on your end. Look up Gmail status or visit Google's Workspace Status dashboard to check if there's a service problem. If there is, you might need to wait until Google resolves the issue. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix any issues preventing your Gmail from receiving emails. Remember, if you're still having trouble, Google Help is an excellent resource for additional support. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.